Time right now is about 7:40 p.m. Saturday night. Yeah, I'm in my garage. I got my camera sitting on the dashboard. It just fell off. Sorry. I didn't expect that to happen. There's no way I could attach it to the dashboard. Let me even sit up here. Hopefully it'll stay. A little difficult here. A moment to warm up. See out in front of me here, I've got a little bit of a snowdrift to deal with, so I'm gonna have to work my way out here. I'm gonna drive, go out easy. I don't get stuck. That's why I'm punching down some snow as I go. Giving myself a little bit more of a... Can't see the snow here. Okay, let's close the garage door. I know the camera's a little bit of an angle, but that's nothing I can do about that. Just the way it's sitting on the dashboard. Either that or don't have the camera at all. It won't sit upright. Maybe it will. I can try something here. Try something here with the camera. That's a little better. Still not getting outside the best, but it's getting a little bit of it's facing down. There's not much I can do about that. If I slide it over to that side there, it won't sit very well. If I leave it up here, it'll sit more better. That's about the best I can do. I'm going to take it nice, slow, and easy. Not going to do anything crazy as far as driving is concerned. A lot of snow drifts here. Pretty nasty snow drifts here. The fan on. Yeah, there's oncoming traffic here. Be a little bit of a problem. The truck, some sort. It's not a snowplow. That's for sure. Just somebody's truck. It's a big snow drift, big snow where the truck is plowed right there. Okay. I'm gonna have a real nasty little thing to get over here. Just a bit of, there we go. 219 is not too bad right here. Looks like the plow's been through. I'm feeling just a little bit of slide here. Snow's coming across from right to left here. Snowplow ahead of me. Make it over a little bit because he's going to have that plow in there. Not about well it's focusing here, but it's. You see the plow coming off there. Keep it well over it for him. Press it. There we go. Up the brights. I don't know how well that camera's picking up that snowstorm, but it's picking it up. I can see it for myself. Almost horizontal snow. Speed is under 20 miles an hour. So I don't really want to pick up too much. I think I can. The road looks pretty good. Snowplow's been doing its job. Really doing a nice job for those people that have to get through. I did hit 2 squads come through. That's almost blinding. Two squads come through in the last couple 3 hours, so those are the ones that's out here. Jeez. Passing the airport here. See a car behind me. I think they're closing. Definitely closing behind me. Nice, slow and easy. You can see where the snowplow has turned the corner right here. Okay, yeah. So. Ooh, that looks a little bad right there. Let's see if I can get through it. See if I can get through it. Okay, good, good. Brights down dims. You can see where the snowplow has done a fairly good job here. They haven't been solding, but I'm pretty sure they haven't. But they've been plowing this best they could, getting the drifts out, keeping the road open. horizontal snow, almost a whiteout for, no, not quite. I can still see where I'm going. I can still see the lights and such. It's just that the wind in front of me is still maintaining about 20 miles an hour. That's much better. Really. Okay, that was a whiteout for a moment there. Wasn't sure where I was going. Nobody behind me now. Good wind there. Whoa, that's a big chunk of ice. Doing damage. Feel that plump. See where the mailbox is off to the right. Yeah. I'll get back a little bit more towards the center again. This is where it's going to get a little messy because we're turning the wind a little bit, coming in at a bad angle, I think. Turning. See how it looks. I'm getting more of a whiteout condition. Yeah. I can see that on the camera. I get over a little bit now. More drifting off to the right hand side. I'm kind of almost in the left hand lane here. I'm definitely driving on the wrong side of the road right now. Well, it's clearer over here. Speed here. Whoa, I've got a full whiteout. Full whiteout. Take it easy, Max. Don't panic. Don't panic. Go down. Go down. There we go. Another whiteout. Another whiteout from my point of view. Camera may not show it. I'm not sure how well that's picking up the whiteout conditions there. But my perception is I can't really see where I'm going. some houses off to my right. That's probably blocking some of the wind, causing the drifting to be a little bit different. Glancing over at them. Fleetfoot Road. I got a little bit of slide in there, just a moment. Make this turn. Looks like there's a big snowdrift here. Some gas, give it some gas, power through it, power through it. Yeah, looking good. Hello there. Time is about 6:45 a.m. Sunday morning, and I'm heading home. I got reports the state routes were in pretty good shape overnight, but I also was told there's a snowplow in the ditch that had to be pulled out. So we'll see how it looked compared to what we just saw when we were coming into work. Here we go. My headlights on? There we go. Looking pretty clear, but I don't know how slick we're looking at. I'm being a little cautious. Again, I got the camera just sitting on my dashboard here, so not the best of pictures. I'm not quite sure where the yellow line is. It's so iced over and such. Getting up to about 25 miles an hour. I'm not going to get too risky. Better I take a while to getting home. Oh, there's the yellow line. Than to end up in the ditch because I'm being a little bit too impatient. Just a little bit of swaying there just a moment ago. Got the wheels not grip. That car behind me. They may be impatient. I've got a bridge coming up, but I don't like this. I'm more likely to be iced. Candidate for black ice right here. But whatever vehicle that is up close behind me now. I think he's going for a pass. Yep, he's going for a pass. Big four-wheel drive truck. A good video if he hits the ice patch and goes in right now. Let's hope not, though. That'd be bad for him. I'm slipping a little bit. I can feel it slipping. Not going that much faster than me, it looks like. I think he slowed down the curve here. I felt some icing. Looks pretty clear, but I don't trust it. I shoved in the snow last night. Real icy in the clear spots. Apparently there was a layer of ice underneath all the snow. So when the plows took away the snow, they could have easily left a layer of ice. I don't think they've sold it yet. I'm not hearing salt on the underside of my vehicle. And as I'm hitting salt, small granules. So I don't think it's salted. Blowing across the road. I don't know if you can tell it on the video, but I was seeing streamers of snow blowing across, drifting. like a snowplow's coming through up ahead of me. Something. Could be the Montezuma plow. Nope, it's something else. That's it's a plow of some sort. Nope, it's not. Farm tractor. Okay, a couple vehicles behind me. Can't see too well. My back window's still frosted up.